Hello, good morning students. Children, let us continue with preposition and we are doing preposition of time. Now, we are going to do the usage of since and for. You must have used sometime for in your sentences, or while framing the sentences you must also have used since. But we should know where we should use these two prepositions, for and since. Now children, I will explain to you what is where to use since. Okay. Now since is used when we are going to tell, it is used for a point of time in the past, when we are talking about something and that is in the past, but a particular period of time. Okay, like I give you an example, you will understand it much better, that I am studying in this school since 2014. Now I am talking about something in the past. 2014 is a period of time when it is in past, but I am saying since 2014 means a particular period of time or a particular time in the past. But when I am using for, it is used for a period of time. Here, what is the difference? That in since we are very particular about the point of time in the past, but in for we are only using a period of time. Like I tell you, I am studying in this school for 5 years. Now that is also past because you started your schooling in this school for 5 years back. But I am not talking that when I started studying in this school. I am saying that for a period of 5 years I am studying in this school. So when for is used for a period of time in the past. Since is also used when we are talking about past, but there is a particular point. Like another example, it is raining since morning, means I am particular that it is past, means morning has already gone or it has started. So from morning I am particular that which time it started. It started in the morning and maybe, and yes, since morning means it is going on. It started in the morning. I am particular about the starting point and it is good. It is raining for 5 hours. That means also you can understand that already it has started raining because for 5 hours it is. So it is also the period of time, but I am not particular about when it started, at the which point it started. So this is the difference between since and for. Now since and for is also used in preposition of time. Preposition of time tells us when something is done. So some period when the thing is in the past, we have done it or we started it. I am going to give you more examples. Like for since, I can say I or my brother or I am studying since afternoon, means I have started studying, or my brother is studying for 4 hours, means for a period of time. For 4 hours he is studying, but I don't know when he started studying. But if I say my brother is studying since afternoon, that means I know in particular which time he started studying. We are living in maybe a place, we are living in Surat since 2015, means I am particular which year I started living in Surat, which year we are living in Bharuch since 2017, means I am particular. It is past, 2017 has already gone by and we are talking about in the past, but we are particular that when we started living in Bharuch or Surat, whichever place it may be, just an example I am giving. So it tells you that when it started. But if I say I am living in Bharuch for 10 years, that means a period of time. Already the thing has started, it is going on. So you can see since and for are used for something which had already started. The action has already started and it is going on. But the difference between since and for is since is used when we are talking about the particular starting point. We know the starting point. We are living in Bharuch since 2010. That means we know that when we started living and we are going on. So for 10 years we are living. But if I say we are living in Bharuch for 10 years, means I am not particular which year, but you just understand period of time for 10 years. So I hope you have understood when we use since and for. Since and for both are used to tell you something that has already started, the action has already started in the past, and since is used when we know the starting point, but it is continuing, like he is singing, or he is learning coding, or he is learning to swim since his childhood. He is learning to or she is learning to dance since her childhood. So I know when she started dancing, since her childhood. When he started swimming, since his childhood. Means something in the past, but particular, which, and it is going on. And for, he is swimming for 10 years, or he is swimming for 5 years, or she is dancing, she is learning to dance for 7 years. So period of time. I hope you have now understood that since it is used for a point of time in the past, particular point of time, we know which period it started, and like we is telling since morning. For, it is used for a period of time. It is just used for a period of time, but we do not know when it started. The particular starting point we don't know. So like he is studying for 2 hours. So this is the difference between since and for. I hope you would be able to use them in sentences. After reading the sentences, you should understand where to use since when something we are particular, we know the starting point, and for is used for a period of time in the past. Thank you, children.